Good morning dear students. Today we are going to start the term 3. Download the books from the website. Now the chapter 1 is fractions. Already you have learned in the 5th standard. Once again we are going to learn about the fraction. What is fraction? What is types of fraction? Then how to add or subtract or multiple or divide we are going to see. So once again I recall it. I have written the intro part. Listen to me. Chapter 1 is fractions. Fraction is a part of your whole. Okay, fraction is everything is a whole. The whole part we will split into the equal parts. Whole part will be split into equal parts. That is only fraction. Okay, the fraction is splitting the whole thing. Whole thing, it may be number, it may be anything. For example, if you buy the pizza, okay, you will cut as equal parts to give to your cousins or your brothers or sister. So the pizza will be cut with the equal parts. Okay, that is a very good example for the fraction. Okay, fraction is cutting a pizza into the equal parts. The fraction is a part of whole. The whole may be anything. Okay, it may be number, it may be amount, it may be the quantity of the items, food items. Okay, now the fraction, it has numerator and denominator. Yes, we have numerator and denominator. The denominator represents the total parts. For example, the pizza is cut into the 4 equal parts. Okay, how many parts? 4 equal parts only we have to cut. You cannot cut as you like. Okay, whenever you cut as the equal parts, it can be considered as a fraction. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. The 4 parts is equal total. So denominator we will represent by 4. Then if you give 1 part to your brother, so we mention as 1 by 4. That is 1 by 4. If you give 2 parts to your brother, 2 by 4. Okay, clear everyone? How we represent? The whole pizza we cut into equal parts and we represent by the fraction. Denominator is total part. Next, types of fraction. Types of fraction. First one is proper fraction. What is mean by proper fraction? Proper fraction, okay, it has the numerator and denominator. We know that fraction means, okay, denominator will be a greater. Denominator will be a greater number. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Okay, you can give more example. See, the numerator is less, denominator is more. Okay, numerator is less, denominator is more. So it is called proper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator will be the bigger one, denominator will be the less. Okay, denominator is less, or it may be the numerator equal and denominator equal. This only we won't remember usually, but you must remember if the numerator and denominator is equal, it is an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. Example, 3 by 2, see the denominator is smaller one, improper. Denominator is bigger one means proper fraction. Denominator big number, so it is proper. Denominator is the smaller one, it is improper fraction. 4 by 4. Okay, you can ask me 4 by 4 you can cancel. Yes, of course you can cancel. It's written in the fraction, so you have to find out what type of fraction. It is an improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction. The mixed fraction, okay, it is mixed with the natural number plus proper fraction. It is mixed with the natural number and proper fraction. Mixed number. Okay, here mixed fraction. So natural number plus proper fraction. It is important 1 mark. Mixed fraction equal to natural number plus proper fraction. See here 1. Proper fraction, we know the denominator should be bigger. So 2 by 3. 1, 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. The 1 you should write, again as usual, the 2 by 3, the fraction, okay, 2 should be little bit up, okay, 3 should be little bit down. Don't write like this. Okay, then you will read as 12 by 3, no. So write the 1 as usual, 2 should be little bit up, 3 should be little bit down. Okay. Next, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is to the given fraction multiply or divide the given fraction by the same number. Okay, by the same number, numerator also multiplied by the same number, denominator also multiplied by the same number. For example, here 2 by 3 is taken, multiplied by 2, numerator and denominator, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2 6. Okay, so then here they multiplied by 3, 2 into 3 6, 3 into 3 9. You can multiply by any number. Okay, equivalent fraction. If they ask us to find out the equivalent fraction, multiply or divide. If you can divide, you can divide. For example, 5 by 15. Find out an equivalent fraction. So either you can divide or not. You see, it is 5 table, you can divide. So divided. So 1 by 3 is an equivalent fraction. Okay, see that the fraction can be divided or not, then go for the multiplication. Okay, if it is cannot be divided, see here 2 by 3 cannot be divided by any same table. Okay, don't go for 2 table, it will come in the 3 table. It must be in the same table. That's why here I used only 5 table. The equivalent fraction, multiply or divide the given fraction by the same number. Next we are going to see like fraction and unlike fraction. It is very important. We are going to use in the problems like fraction and unlike fraction. So listen to me. Like fraction, denominators are same. Denominator means down. Okay, what is there in the down? Okay, that is denominator. 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 you see here. Both denominators are same, so it is called like. You know the meaning of like, okay, which it is same by the thing, okay, we say as like. So here both denominators are same, so that we are saying as it is like fraction. Okay, it's not must to be the numerator same, denominator same means okay. Okay, it may be the numerator also same, nothing in wrong there, but denominator must be same in the like fraction. Okay, denominators are same in a like fraction. Next, unlike fraction, denominators are different. Denominators are different. See here 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Here denominator 2, here denominator is 4. So when denominators are same, not same, it is called an unlike fraction. Denominators are different, unlike. Denominators are same, like fraction. When the denominators are same only, we can add or subtract. Okay, when can we add or subtract? When denominators are same. It means if it is like fraction, okay, if it is like fraction, it can be added or subtracted. Okay, if it is like fraction. If it is unlike fraction, we have to make it as the like fraction by taking LCM or cross multiplication method. Okay, by taking LCM or cross multiplication method, we have to make the denominator same, then only we can add or subtract. Next, conversion. Conversion, we have two types of conversion, mixed to improper. We cannot convert the proper to improper. It is impossible. Okay, impossible because proper is different, improper is different. But we can convert improper to mixed, mixed to improper. The first one is mixed to improper. Listen to me. Mixed fraction, natural number plus proper fraction. 3, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is proper fraction, 3 is a natural number. How to convert to improper? Listen. Multiply the 3 into 4, then add plus the 1. The denominators will be as it is. Till the last step, you cannot change the denominator, it will be as it is. So first multiply and add 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 by 4. Then improper to mixed. Improper to mixed, improper fraction, denominator will be less, numerator will be more. So go for the division. Okay, how many times in the 2 table 3 will be coming, we are going to see. So we know that remainder will be coming because in the 2 table 3 will not come. So go for the division. Okay, 2 table 1 time, then remainder is 1. So here we have, it is called quotient, it is remainder, it is divisor. Okay, now we have to write in the format of quotient, must be the natural number, then remainder will be the numerator, the denominator will be same. So whenever you convert the mixed to improper, improper to mixed, the denominator will be same, denominator will not be different. Okay, clear everyone? This is the intro part. Already we have learned in the 5th standard also. Okay, now once again, okay, I recall about the types of fraction. Listen to me carefully. Fraction is a part of whole. Okay, the whole thing will be split into equal parts that can be written in the fractional form. Okay, fraction, it has numerator and denominator. Next, types of fraction. Proper fraction, it is numerator will be less, denominator will be more. Okay, denominator more means proper fraction. Denominator is less means compared to the numerator, it is improper fraction. Then if it is equal, numerator and denominator equal also, improper fraction. Mixed fraction, very important one more, natural number plus proper fraction. Natural number plus proper fraction. Equivalent fraction, multiply or divide the given fraction by the same number. Next, you are going to see like fraction, denominators are same. When denominators are same, it is called an like fraction. When denominators are different, it is unlike fraction. Okay, when the like fraction, when do you have like fraction only you can add or subtract. Okay, when you don't have a like fraction, unlike fraction, you have to change into the like fraction, then only we can add or subtract. Conversion, we have two conversion, mixed to improper, mixed one. Okay, multiply the natural number and denominator, multiply and add. That's all. Very easy. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Denominator will be as it is. Likewise, improper also, go for the division, go for the dividing method. Denominator will be as it is. Quotient will be the natural number. Remainder will be a numerator. Okay, this is our intro part is over. Some important note I will write. There are some important facts about the fraction only. Okay, so now the first about the proper fraction. All proper fractions are less than 1. All proper fractions are less than 1. If you see, everything will be less than 1. Okay, then all improper fractions are either equal or greater than 1. It is very important one. Proper fractions are less than 1. Improper fractions are either equal or greater than 1. Then every improper fractions can be written as mixed fraction. Every improper fractions can be written as mixed fraction. Likewise, every mixed fractions can be written as improper fraction. Next, we add or subtract the fraction. If it is like fraction. Okay, when we can add or subtract if it is like fraction, it is important. Okay, when you can add if it is like fraction means denominator must be same. Next, every unlike fraction can be written as like fraction. Listen to me. Every unlike fraction means if it is denominators are different, we can make it as like fraction. It means by the denominator same. How we can make? By taking LCM. By taking LCM or cross multiply method, cross multiplication. Clear everyone? Listen to me. Once again I recall the points. It is very important. All proper fractions are less than 1. Okay, proper fractions are less than 1. All improper fractions are either equal or greater than 1. All improper fractions are either equal or greater than 1. Then every improper fractions can be written as mixed fraction. Every improper fraction can be written as mixed fraction. Every mixed fractions can be written as improper fraction. Then we add or subtract the fraction if it is like fraction. Okay, addition and subtraction alone I am telling. Okay, if it is like fraction only you can add or subtract. If you go for the multiple and divide, okay, it is not necessary to be like or unlike. Every unlike fraction can be written as like fraction by taking LCM or cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiply. If you go for the multiplication like this, cross multiply. LCM already we have learned in the term 2. Okay, how we are going to use here, listen to me carefully. We can go for the problem, exercise 1.1. Take your book. Book page number 19. Okay, page number 19. First question, fill in the blanks. It's like problems. Listen to me. We are going to solve the problem. 7 3 by 4 plus 6 1 by 2 equal to dash. Okay, it is which type of fraction? First to find out. It is mixed fraction because one natural number, then proper fraction, one natural number, proper fraction. Whenever you see the mixed fraction, first you must convert into an improper fraction. So mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. How will you convert? Multiply and add. Okay, 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3 is 31. Write the denominator as it is. 31 by 4. Likewise, here also multiply and add. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. Now, we are going to add, yes or no? So, whenever you add or subtract, it must be a like fraction. See the denominators are different. It is 4, it is 2. So, make the denominators as same by taking LCM method or cross multiplier. Okay, we used to go for the LCM. 4 and 2, take LCM, 2 table, 2 times, then 1 time, again 2 table, 1 and 1, multiply 2 into 2, 4. So, LCM is 4. Like this only last term we learned the LCM. Okay, write the number till the 1 you have to go for the factors. Okay, now the LCM is 4. Make the denominator as 4. Write the denominator as 4. Now already it is 4 only. So, you don't want to do anything. Write the 31 as it is. Here in the before we had only 2. With the 2, which number if you multiply you will get 4, you see. So, tell the 2 table and find out 2 2s are 4. Okay. Here if you multiply by 2, up also multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 13 2s are multiply, 13 2s are 26. Now add the 7, 1 plus 6 7, 3 plus 2 5, 57 by 4. 57 by 4. So now it is in which type of fraction? Improper fraction. Improper fraction convert into the mixed fraction. Go for the division. 4 table, 5 how many times will come you see? 1 time. Remainder 1, bring down the next digit 17. 17 how many times will come in the 4 table? 4 times. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 1. Now the quotient must be the whole number, natural number 14. The remainder write up 1. The denominator will be as it is. So 57 by 14 can be written as 14 1 by 4. 14 1 by 4. Write the number properly. 14 write as it is. 1 the numerator alone little bit up. The down will be the denominator. Okay, once again I tell about this problem. Okay, listen. 7 3 by 4 plus 6 1 by 2. We have applied the more rules. First mixed fraction converts into the improper fraction, that is very very important. Mixed fraction it is. I have converted into improper, multiply and add. 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3 31, denominator as it is. Here 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 2. Now see the denominators are different. Take LCM for the 4 and 2. LCM is 4. Then make the denominators are same 4. Now already it is denominator is 4. So write as it is 31 by 4. Here the denominator is 2. So you have to make it as 4. If you multiply by 2 only you will get 4. So multiply the numerator also by 2. So numerator and denominator I have multiplied by 2. 13 2s are 26. 2 2s are 4 already we have written. Now denominators are same. So we can add the numerator. Okay, when the denominators are same, okay, only we can add the numerator. Okay, you don't add the denominator, only you have to add the numerator alone. 31 plus 26 57. The 4 must be as it is. Don't write 4 plus 4 8. Denominator must be same 4. Then it is an improper fraction. So I have converted into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction by the division. Okay, 1 by 1 number I have taken. The quotient, it is called a quotient. Quotient must be whole number. Remainder will be a numerator. Denominator will be as it is the same number. Okay, clear everyone? Next option 2 we are going to see. Option 1 you copy in your fair note because it is very big, you cannot copy in the book. The sum of a whole number and a proper fraction is called dash. The sum of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Next, option 3, 5 1 by 3 minus 3 1 by 2. Here the first option we learned the addition, now we are learning the subtraction. Listen to me. The same, it is an mixed fraction. It is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction convert into an improper fraction. Multiply and add. Multiply and add. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. Denominator as it is. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Denominator as it is. Now see the denominators are different. So take LCM for 3 2. 3 table ones. 2 write as it is. Then again 2 table 1 and 1. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 2 6. Now write the denominator as 6. Both denominator also write as 6. Because we have taken the LCM as 6. So now before to that what number it was there? 3. So 3 you have to go in the 3 table. How many times 6 will come you see? Okay, if you multiply once 3 ones are 3. If you multiply twice you will get 6. Here multiply by 2 means numerator also multiply by 2. 16 2s are 32. Next, here we have only 2. You have to go on the 2 table. How many times 6 will come? 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Here also multiply by 3. Both must be same number. So 7 3s are 21. Now the denominators are same. So write the denominator as it is. Don't subtract the denominator. 6 minus 6 0. Don't do that. Denominator write as it is. You can subtract only the numerator. Okay. 32 minus 21. 1 1. 11 by 6. 11 by 6 is improper fraction. Okay. Because denominator is less, numerator is more. So convert into mixed fraction. Go for the division. 6 table. Okay. You say 6 table. 6 ones are 6. 6 2s are 12. So maximum only one time 6. Remainder 11 minus 6 5. So the quotient must be the whole number. Quotient 1. Then 5 is a remainder, little bit up. Denominator will be as it is. So this is called improper converted into mixed fraction. Improper convert into mixed fraction. So this problem is over. Same method only. Mixed one convert into improper. Improper, if it is unlike fraction, take LCM and go for it. Then if it is subtraction, subtract. Don't subtract the denominators. Denominators will be as it is. Option 4. Okay, 8 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, division we know that. Okay, here whenever the divide comes, it can be written in the multiplication by the reciprocal form. Okay, division can be written as multiply, okay, in reciprocal form. Okay, divide can be written as multiplication. So here 8, reciprocal means numerator and denominator change. Okay, for example, numerator 1 means it changed to the denominator. Denominator 2 means change into numerator. So I have changed. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Okay, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So now go for it. 8 2s are 16, 16 by 1. If denominator is 1, there is no value. So answer is 16. Okay, clear everyone? The very important one which we used is division can be written as multiplication in the reciprocal form. Reciprocal means numerator and denominator we will change it. Option 4, the answer is 16. Next, option 5, the number which has its own reciprocal is dash. The number which has own reciprocal. For example, if you take any number, I am taking 5. Okay, fraction, you don't have the denominator, just I will be considered as a 1 denominator. Find the reciprocal. Reciprocal means what did I say? Change in numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal of 5 by 1 I can write as 1 by 5. Okay, but this is different. It is different. It is not a same. They are asking which number has own reciprocal. Okay, it won't be same. For example, if you take 1, okay, denominator we can consider as 1. Go for the reciprocal of 1 by 1. So the 1 has its own reciprocal. The number 1 has its own reciprocal. Okay, clear? The number 1 has its own reciprocal. Okay, here answer is 1. The number which has its own reciprocal is 1. The number only they asked. Okay, so number we don't have the denominator, so just we have considered the denominator as 1. Nothing wrong with it. So it is in all my consideration. Okay, if denominator we don't have, you can consider as 1. Okay, it can be mean, or we don't want to mean always the denominator as 1. Option 5 is over. Next, say true or false. Option 1, 3 1 by 2 can be written as 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 can be written as 3 plus 1 by 2. Why means, okay, here we will multiply and at last we are going to add. So these both are same. So the answer is true. Answer is true. Okay, or else multiply and add. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Likewise, okay, here it is addition. Here consider as 1 and go for the LCM. LCM will be 2. 1 and 2 LCM will be 2. Write 2. Here 1 only is there. Multiply by 2 only you will get 2. 3 2s are 6. It will be written as it is. 6 plus 1, 7. The 2 will be as it is. So both are same. So answer is true. Next, option 2. The sum of any two proper fraction is always an improper fraction. The sum of any two proper fraction is always improper fraction. 1 by 2, 2 by 2. Sum means addition. So 3 by, it is proper fraction. Okay, it is proper fraction. Then we can take any other proper fraction. 3 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Both are proper fraction. If you add, they are saying as always an improper fraction. Always an improper fraction. We check with this. 2 and 4 take LCM. 2 2s are 4. So LCM is 4. So make the denominator as 4. If you multiply by 2 only, you will get 4 here. 1 2s are 2. Here already 4. 3. 2 plus 3, 5 by 4. So here for this problem we got 5 by 4, but for everything we cannot get the improper fraction. So the statement is false. Here the question is sum of any two proper fraction is always it is given. It is not always. It is sometimes. Then option 3. The mixed fraction of 13 by 4 is dash. Find out the mixed fraction. It is which fraction? Improper. Improper only we can write as mixed fraction. 13 right inside. 4 is a divisor. Okay, dividend, divisor. 4 table you go. 4 table 13 how many times will come? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 3 times. Remainder 1. Write this quotient as a whole number. Up you write the remainder. The by 4 will be as it is. So the 13 by 4 is 3, 1 by 4 is given. So the given is true. Then option 4, the reciprocal of an improper fraction is always proper fraction. Okay, the reciprocal of improper. You can take any improper fraction. For example, 3 by 2 is improper because denominator is less. Reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator and denominator will change. 2 by 3. It is improper. It is proper. So every improper fraction of the reciprocal can be written as proper fraction. The statement is true. Next option 5. 3 1 by 4 into 3 1 by 4. Here multiplication means you don't want to see the denominator. Change into improper. Multiply and add. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into like by same. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 4. Multiplication means just multiply everything. Numerator also multiply, denominator also multiply. 13 into 13 169. 4 4s are 16. But it is given as 9 1 by 16. Okay, 9 1 by 16 is given. So here this one go for changing into mixed fraction. 16 table 10 times 160. Remainder 9. So the answer must be 10 9 by 16. But in the answer here it's given as 9 1 by 16 in the book. So it is false. Okay, once again the option 1 answer is true. Option 2 answer is false. Option 3 is true. Option 4 is true. Option 5 is false. Okay, here I have explained reciprocal, don't forget. Okay, reciprocal means changing the numerator and denominator. The question number 3 you will see in the next class. Okay, so before that you will learn the intro properly, proper fraction, which is improper, which is mixed fraction, identify properly, how to convert mixed to improper, improper to mixed. Then LCM is very, very important. We have to take the LCM properly. So that methods and all you remember once again, and the next class we will continue with the third problem. Okay, thank you dear students.